And to start with tonight, how can a political party claim automatically, suddenly, signatures of 20 million, 2 crore farmers from across the country in a matter of 2 to 3 weeks? Tonight, I present to you a simple calculation which completely exposes Rahul Gandhi's claims of 2 crore signatures. Here is the fact check for the Congress, and then, of course, we shall debate.
With a truckload of what the Congress claims are signatures of farmers against the farm law, Rahul Gandhi marched towards the Rashtrapati Bhavan. But here's the truth about the 2 crore signatures that the Congress claims to have that has been allegedly given to the president. There are no addresses or contact numbers on the documents. When Republic was exposing the truth, watch how Congress snatched the papers.
We are showing you the pictures of these signatures. Those have been done by the farmers. Though there is no mention of address. There is no mention of address of these farmers. Now the Congress party claims that it is these are the files. These are the documents. Those have been signed by around 2 crore farmers. But there is no mention of any address in these signed documents. In these signed documents, we are also showing you the pictures of these signed papers. Those are now moving from the Congress party headquarters. Though the Congress party claims that there are around 2 crore signatures against farm laws, but there is no mention of any address or any contact number of any farmer which is there on these papers, which certainly is now raising question mark over the kind of claims also those are now being made by the Congress party.
So if we consider one signature took 1 minute, the entire exercise should have taken over 3,33,000 hours or 13,888 days. Or 1,984 weeks, or 456 months, or 38 years.
वो जब राष्ट्रपति महोदय के पास विरोध व्यक्त करने के लिए गए तो मुझे ये सब किसान खड़े हुए हैं। मैंने इनसे पूछा तो उन्होंने कहा कोई दस्तखत कराने नहीं आया कांग्रेस का आदमी और किसी किसान ने दस्तखत नहीं किए।
Even if we give benefit of doubt to the Congress, let us assume they worked to convince 10 farmers every day to sign the petition. That would mean each Congress worker got 290 signatures over the past 29 days. Does that mean Congress mobilized 68,966 karyakartas to work day in and day out to get the signatures? Somehow it doesn't add up.
You ask, they have the farmers coming from three districts. Nobody has approached them. They have never heard that anybody is taking the signature of the farmers. Itself is a fake news or fake list. I am myself is apprehensive whether Rahul Gandhi himself understands the farm bills or whether he read these laws or not.
Going by pure numbers, Congress claims have been busted. Did Congress lie on the signature campaign? And the Saboot gang that wanted proof on Balakot and surgical strike is finding it difficult to explain the claim worth 2 crore. Let's debate.